this video, we are going to see how to activate a device using the GZTP activation method. To do that, you need to have a pre-request, which I will show now. For activating a GZTP device, you need to copy the serial number of the device that is shipped to you. I'll show you how to do that. Log into the Titan portal and deploy the device with the serial number you copied. Verify the deploy is successful. Once the deploy is successful, then factory reset the device. I'll show you how to factory reset the device. Now your device will come up and will start activating automatically, or you can click on the Activate button on the device. Now we are going to the Titan portal. In the Titan portal, to deploy the device, first you need to drag and drop the device from the available licenses. I'm going to the map view where it will show the location of your devices that are already deployed. If this is a new deployment, then you can go to the place where you want to deploy and you can drag and drop. Now I will drag and drop the device where I want it. I'm going to change the site name. You can see it is fetching the data automatically using the address on the map. So now I named the device GZTP Activation. I'm going to choose the template as FM2 and I'm going to select the images. I will select 21.2.3 because that is what I have on the device, and if I choose the higher version, it may upgrade, so it will take some time. If I want to stay in the same version, you can choose Please Select, then save the site. Saving the site will save the site information, and you can click on the Next button to see the configuration that is available on this device. This config is fetched from the template that you have chosen in the Site Details page. Here I have chosen FM2, so the Wi-Fi config, LAN, WAN, all these configs are fetched from the FM2 template. In case you want to change the configuration of the device before deploying, you can do it now, and you can save the config, and then you can deploy it from here. So now I have the config. Now I'm going to deploy the device here. For deploying the device, you need to copy the serial number of the device. I'll show you how to copy the serial number. When you click on the info icon near the GZTP, you will see the image showing where to copy. Behind the CSG box that is shipped to you, you will be able to see this label. In the label, you can see the serial number. This is the serial number that you need to copy and paste while deploying. Here you need to paste and deploy. So I already copied my serial number, which is available here, and I'm going to deploy the device by pasting it. I paste the serial number and click on this icon and click on Continue. This will deploy the device. Now we can go to Honeycomb View and see the deploy status of the device. Now the device is deploying. Once the deploy is successful, then we can see how to activate the device. The deploy workflow will be created in the GZTP director as well as the Titan Versa director, so it may take some time. You will be able to activate the device once the deploy is successful. So let's see the deploy status. It is still deploying, so we can wait. Now you can see the deploy is successful, and you can see the same from here. The device is deployed in director and the workflow is available in the director now. To activate the device, first you need to mouse over the device and click to activate. You can see the serial number that you copied is available here, and then when you click to activate, it will show the pre-request to activate the device. So whatever pre-request that we have seen here will be available. Now before activating the device, ensure your device is connected to the WAN and your device is in factory default. So how do you do the factory default? First, you need to click on the device image here. And here you can see that I opened the image in the new tab, so it will be bigger. Here you can see the factory default button. Once the device is deployed, you need to click one time and wait for 2 seconds, and then click the factory default button again and then wait for 2 minutes, so that the default factory reset config will be up in the device. then the device will automatically start activating in the back end. So I'm going to do the factory reset now, and the device will be up in a few minutes. After that, we can click on the Activate button. Now the factory reset is done and we have already waited for 2 minutes. Now the device will be ready to activate. I'm going to click on the Activate button so that it will fetch the information from the director. You can track the activation status from this place, or you can see the task details here. The estimated status is around 20 minutes. Based on your latency, the device can activate even before. And if the device is upgrading, for example, if you have the lower version in the device and you have configured the higher version in Titan while deploying, then it may upgrade. For upgrading, it may take another 20 minutes. Now you can see it is connecting to the appliance. Once it is connected to the appliance, the Create Appliance will be successful. And then from the Titan side, it will deploy the appliance in the Titan director. After that, the device will come up. This process, like I said, will take 20 minutes or so I will have to wait and see once the device has come up. Now we can see the device is activating and the Create Appliance task is created in Director. Now the appliance task will be created in Titan Director once the device is rebooted. So in this process, the device will reboot twice. In case if the device is upgrading from the lower version to the higher version, like if you have the device in 21.2.3 and you have chosen 22.1.3 while deploying, then the device will upgrade. In case if it is upgrading, it may reboot 3 times. Since I have chosen the same version or please select, the device will stay in the same version. So it will reboot only twice. So let's wait for the device to come up. As you can see, it is in the staging status. Once the Add Appliance is created in Titan Director, then the post-staging configuration will be pushed to the device. You can see the same from here. Once you click on Activate, there is no user interaction required. You can wait and see once the device comes up. Now you can see the post-staging is started, which means it is deploying, and the Add Appliance creation task has been initiated in the Titan Director. So now post-staging is happening, which will push the post-staging config that is in the device to the director, and then the device will reboot after this task, and then it will come up. So we just have 6 minutes left in the estimated time. Based on the latency and speed of the internet, it may be sooner, or there will be somewhere around 2 minutes delay. This is just approximate time. Now it is setting up the appliance and applying the initial configuration. Now you can see that it has successfully created the branch appliance. Now the device will reboot. This rebooting task may take 1 or 2 minutes. Once the reboot is done, it will connect to the device. It will connect to the controller and the director, and that will bring up the device. Now we can see the device is connected, and it will come up in a few minutes. Let's wait and see. Now you can see the device is activated. You can verify the same from the task. So initially it created the appliance in GZTP Director, and the appliance creation was done in Titan Director, and from the back end we have pushed the configuration and brought up the device successfully. Now you can go to the monitor. Mouse over and you can see the operation status is up, and the configuration status is in sync. Now click on the monitor so you'll be able to see the network WAN and LTE status. So now you can see the WAN IP and LTE IP, and you can see the device status like CPU and everything from here. SD-WAN connectivity between branches. So if you connect to this device using LAN or Wi-Fi, you'll be able to see those devices from here, and you can do the SD-WAN speed test from here.